So for everybody that's going to be attending PantherFest 2022 this year, guys, I have some very exciting news. And that is that Dale, along with his incredibly talented film crew, will be at this year's PantherFest 2022 on Saturday, July 23rd. And for those of you who have not heard about this man already, he is the one that's actually currently working on a Crown Vic documentary. And for updates and information on the upcoming Crown Vic documentary, make sure to follow Dale on Instagram at CrownVicDoc. And to get you guys a little bit of a sneak preview of this upcoming Crown Vic documentary, subscribe to Dale's YouTube channel right here, where he has already posted just a little bit of sneak previews of what you guys can expect in the upcoming documentary. To say I am excited for this is an understatement. So this year's PantherFest will not only feature the Best in Show trophy and the opportunity to win $500, but your Panther car might actually have the opportunity to star in what is going to be the world famous Crown Vic documentary. So a big thank you to Dale and his crew, who's coming along all the way from Canada to let our stories be heard. I am definitely excited and looking forward to seeing you guys, and I'll catch you guys at PantherFest 2022. It's gonna be good. For anyone who's interested in coming, PantherFest 2022 will be Saturday, July 23rd, beginning at 4 p.m. Central Time until 7 p.m. at the location that's on the screen. So this year we will have a Best in Show trophy. Everyone who attends will get a chance to vote for the Panther car they think is worthy of Best in Show title. The winner will receive a Best in Show trophy along with a $500 cash prize. This year we're going to do it a little bit different. We're actually going to host it at a fellow Panther owner's property. So there will be absolutely no burnouts or sliding or anything of that sort. All and every Panther car is welcome, from town cars to Mercuries to P71s, off-road Vics, lifted rigs. You got them on rims, you got them on 22s, on 26s. Bring them. If it's a Panther car, I want to see them out there. Come eat some burgers and hot dogs and hang out with fellow Panther car owners. And who knows, maybe you will take home that $500 Best in Show prize. All that and more at this year's PantherFest. See you there.